Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Charmed Aroma. I think some of the new products are in here. They have some new items that they just came out with. So I got packing label, got this adorable little star bath bomb that looks like it's going to be really nice and colorful. Super cute. I also ordered, I'm very excited for this, they have whipped soap now. This one is Mermaid Lagoon. This has a necklace in it, and it's only 5.5 ounces, so it is a pretty small container. But it looks really pretty. So it's piped in there, and there's a couple like little gold stars, the kind that dissolve when they're in the when they get wet. And I have no idea where the necklace is. I can't tell if it's at the very bottom or not. I'll probably use some so I can tell you what I think of it, and then, you know, insert that in the reveal for it. And this, I got two of. I did not order two. Let me look at the packing sheet real quick. Yep, this is the Rainbow Glow Ring Bath Bomb. I only ordered one, and they gave me two. Looks like they gave me a size 8, which I know I didn't order, and then this one is a size 7, so they just, I guess, gave me a bonus one. That's cool. And last but not least, we have their other new item. They have bath salts now, and this one is the hemp one. I thought that would have a really good fragrance. And some of them look like they had bigger chunks of like dried flowers, which I don't like because I don't want that in my tub. That's probably not good to go down the drain. So I will be doing a demo of this. Pour half cup. Yeah, I might put them in one of those little like mesh baggies so that the pieces don't go everywhere. But I will obviously do a reveal for this so you can see what's inside. So just an idea of some upcoming products that will be on my page. If you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.